The traditional methods of building a villa in India are deeply rooted in the country's diverse cultural and regional practices. These methods often use local materials, craftsmanship, and techniques that have been perfected over centuries. One of the most common building materials in traditional construction is mud, combined with stone. These materials were locally sourced, making them cost-effective and sustainable. The stone was used for the foundation and walls, while mud and clay bricks were used to fill in the spaces. In many parts of India, especially in coastal and hilly areas, wooden beams and posts were used to provide structural integrity to villas. Wood, sourced from local forests, was a primary material in the construction of homes. Traditional villas often featured thatched roofs or terracotta tiles, which provided insulation against the hot Indian summers and kept the interiors cool. Traditional villa construction required skilled artisans, masons, and carpenters. The process involved a lot of manual labor, with each craftsperson bringing their expertise to the building of the villa. Traditional construction methods were much slower and more labor-intensive compared to modern methods. Villas were constructed over a period of months or even years, depending on the scale of the project. Vastu Shastra, an ancient Indian science of architecture, played a significant role in the planning and construction of villas. It ensures harmony with nature, positive energy flow, and auspicious orientation of rooms, which were believed to bring prosperity and well-being to the inhabitants. The use of locally sourced materials such as mud and stone, along with traditional construction methods, made these homes highly sustainable. They were energy efficient and required minimal external energy for heating or cooling. Traditional villas were designed to make the best use of natural ventilation and lighting, reducing the need for artificial systems.